We're a proud lot in South Shields. And we've got a lot to be proud of. Not just we're beautiful coast and we're history and heritage, but we love a good curry. And we've got the finest fish and chips in the whole of the country. But there's nothing quite brings us together like going to a football match and supporting our club, South Shields. We've been in the Football League. We've brought the community together, and who will ever forget that fantastic day at Wembley? But the last 2 years, they've been tough, not just for us, but for everybody.
The coronavirus is the biggest threat this country has faced for decades. All over the world, we're seeing the devastating impact. You must stay at home.
But we're a resilient lot, just as well, really. We're 12 points clear. Top of the league when COVID struck. And we were told we'd have to start all over again. And another season came and went. And we still weren't able to do what we love most, to shout, to scream, to cheer on our team. It was a tough time for the whole of the community, not just our brilliant football club. But we've been knocked back before, and we always managed to come back fighting. I mean, who can remember the Peter Lee days? But this is not just my club.
This is our club.
Our club.
Our club.
Our club.
Our club. Our club.
This is our club.
And it can be your club too. Just over a year ago, over 1,000 of us became shareholders of this great club. The club's share raise target was smashed, and it helped us get through the pandemic and give us so much to look forward to. We proudly own part of the club, and how cool's that? And now there's a chance for you to own even more. Do you fancy joining our journey? I know you'll love it as much as we do, and there's never been a better time to invest in this fantastic club. Our men's team's now fully professional, with their sights set on climbing the football ladder even further. They've even got their own training ground. And our academies? Well, they help young people not just be better footballers, but be better members of the community. Our women's team is inspiring the next generation by excelling on the pitch, whilst our charitable foundation works with hundreds of young people every week, giving them a chance to follow their dreams, to learn new skills, to make friends, and to be part of something really special. We're proud of our home and the way it's grown, but we're about to unveil its crowning glory. An incredible new stand's about to be unveiled. And let's look at how amazing it's going to be. It'll have first-class facilities where you can watch the match, where you can spend quality time with your family and friends, and where you can savour every step of our footballing journey. We've come a long way, but we've only just started. Be part of an incredible journey. Be part of our pride. Be part of our club.